Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're going to dive into an outreach masterclass. This is going to be incredible for you. It's been incredible for myself, it's been incredible for clients, and it could genuinely help change your life. I'm not even joking. And I'm going to give you everything, right? But I want to tell you a bit of background information first. So, just before I go into this system, I want you to understand that making money online isn't that difficult when you know what inputs you need to execute on a daily basis. So if you know what you need to do every day and you know the end goal you're going to get there by doing so, it's simple. It genuinely is. I myself have gone from $0 online all the way up to 40k months within 7 months of being in the online space. 0 to 40k, 7 months, right? And there's ups and downs along the way and even after that, right? And that's between two businesses. But that's what's possible. So I've also helped people, over 130 make money from social media, with a lot of them, a ton of them making over 10k a month now. Even beyond that, we've 30, 40k months. Even one dude is making 100k a month in my program, which is just insane, right? So here's just some screenshots just to prove that I'm making the money, right? That's it. But we know, okay? So even here, figure one. Right, this screenshot below showcases the growth of one of my clients. This was achieved by identifying a profitable niche for him, packing his skills into a compelling offer and distributing it through social media. Now, Luke is making over 40k a month now from referrals, right? He started on social media, built about 14,000 followers from zero, started with me when he had nothing, and now he's making about that money from referrals. So this is when he hit an 18k a month. Insane, right? Literally changing his life, and that's what's important. Okay, he went on to scale much beyond that. Here as well is a screenshot, and it shows me making €34,900 in 1 month for my online business, just selling one simple skill. Like literally 1 month, one skill, 34.9k euro. It's about close to about 40k USD. It's insane. Like, this is insane that it can be done. Okay. Here's Helmi, one of my clients, and he achieved the same through the exact same protocol, right? 2k, 1k, he got an 8k paid in full recently. Like, that's insane. 8k. Brilliance here, again, same protocol, just followed exactly what I said to a T, 5k. He's charging upward of 8k now as well. It's insane, right? With Osh, in literally 65 days, he's making 9k a month. He actually went on to make 30k a month. That's what he's doing at the moment. Again, incredible, right? No denying that. Molly, 9 to 5 as a nurse, she actually cut back her hours massively because she's making, at the moment, actually 10k a month. She did, I think, 8k in 1 week. Insane. So the timeframes here are incredible. And the list goes on. I don't want to bore you with all this, right? But it goes on and on. The wins are simply incredible. So let's just dive into this framework that's been printing myself and students cash, right? So if you're not following the person you're messaging, forget you even reach out to them in the first place. That's the reality. Unless you have 50, 100,000 followers, just don't even bother, okay? You need to follow these people. So I don't even respond to most people unless they follow me or unless they're a massive account. So if you've less than 10, 20k followers, you reaching out to everyone is negatively impacting your response rate if you don't follow them. So narrow down your ICP, your ideal customer. So who are you exactly trying to target? You don't want to follow 1,000 new people every month, but you want to hit specific people, okay? That is your ideal customer. So once you find that account, give them a follow and engage with a few of their recent tweets. Drop a like and a comment. It's simple. Just engage with them. Be a real person. And actually add to their conversation of the tweet. Don't just repeat back to them what they've said. Add to the conversation. Ask them a question. Be a human, okay? Give value. Then you can dive into the DMs. Then you've an opportunity. So there are two different approaches you can take. And people don't even speak about this, right? Number one is leading with value. Number two is directly asking. It seems obvious, right? Directly ask. But it's worth testing both of these approaches and see which gets a better response rate. Often, for some niches, you'll have to do number one. That's what works best. Number two works for other niches. So we need to test that. So leading with value, for me, I've seen work more often than not, though. And this comes down to giving the prospect something for free in order to win their attention. So for example, let's say I'm a full stack marketer and help coaches build low ticket community funnels. My target market is coaches who sell a high ticket program, right? Listen to that. So my outreach could look something like this. Hey, John, saw that you sell Casually Convert is a high ticket offer and couldn't help but notice you've no low ticket funnel to feed that high ticket offer. So they've only one offer at the top. They've free, then one high ticket offer, let's say 10K. There's nothing in the middle. There's nothing lower. There's nothing for $100 a month. Okay. I actually specialize in helping coaches create an ascension between low and high ticket. So they get in, let's say 100 a month, they get loads of value for that 100, and now they trust them to pay the 10K. That's what this does. So mind if I send over a 6-minute video covering exactly how I could help you do this. So the offer here is really, really good. That's the first thing. I can do another video on offers. That's no issue. But the outreach message here is super appealing. And it's down to a specific ideal customer. That's the thing. You're reaching out to a specific person. So this type of approach works really well as a prospect loses nothing from saying yes. All they get is a video, 6 minutes, diving into everything that they need. They only gain value. Now, think of this as an example and apply it to your own offer. So if you help people with CRO, ask them, can you send a quick audit of their site? Help people with YouTube funnels, ask to send them a monetization strategy. This can be applied to any offer. You genuinely just need to think, how can you apply this framework to what you're selling and your offer? Now, the other option here is a direct ask. And this is the approach where you cut the BS and get right to the point. So it usually works better when you've decent social proof, as you can lead with it. Like literally, just as I've done here. Just loads of social proof, loads of proof. So I can directly ask people. It makes it much easier and much more straightforward. So for an example here, I'm a CRO expert and help ecom owners improve their conversion rates. So, hey John again, saw you're an ecom owner here on Twitter. I recently helped agency flow, let's say, improve their conversion rate by 2%, leading to an extra 10K generated in 60 days. So the social proof. Are you open to hearing how I could do the same for you? I'm like, why not? Why not? Let's see. I'd reply to that 100%. I don't want DMs sending me this now, but I would reply. Okay. This type of message is personalized to them as you're calling out they're an ecom owner. And if the message looks automated, 99% of people will ignore it. My DMs are ridiculous. They're insane. It's pointless replying. Look, these are all my requests. It just continues forever, literally. There's no point opening half these and replying to 99% of them. They're crap. They're all automated. Some different accounts send me the exact same message. You're competing against these type of people. That's the reality. All you have to do is follow these and you'll outperform them. It's not that hard. And you can get to 5-10K a month in no time from doing this. So if you do have a guarantee with your offer, you can lead with it in the outreach. So if it's a really good guarantee, you can lead with that. So for example, I run a lead gen agency for B2B agencies. Now, hey John, saw that you run a marketing agency. Would you be open to how I can help you get an extra 3 to 10 qualified calls per month on a purely performance basis? No setup fee. See how appealing this is? These outreach messages are a no-brainer to respond to. He's going to charge me nothing and he's going to get me qualified calls. Yes, of course. Why not? Right? So this offer is great. Pure performance tells me exactly what the goal is. Plus the prospect doesn't pay a setup fee. Makes sense, right? So when it comes to response handling, just do some objection handling and don't waste your time. So just get them to book a call. Okay. If you have any questions when it comes to outreach, feel free to hit me up. But I'm actually going to show you a quick example here of, I just did a call. I was just speaking to August. So I said I'd bring up the conversation, and it shows how important following up is. It shows how important a good knowledge with DMs is, and just how to carry a conversation, literally. So you can see back here, right? There was messages from literally almost a year ago, and he ended up not replying to me. And we can scroll down here. Look, I sent him a load of messages. He wasn't replying. And he entered a giveaway that I did just Saturday, recently, a week ago. And then I was able to follow up again. And he just booked a meeting. Okay. So I was able to send him a case study then. And we dove through that. Okay. So this is a great example. And there's endless examples of this. And they all look a little bit different, but they all generally follow the same formula, right? Reach out, follow up if they don't reply. Maybe they'll reply eventually. Some don't ever reply. That's fine too. But this is kind of how it works now. And we had the call again a while ago. So that's how it goes. Use these yellow strategies. And what I'm actually going to ask you to do is literally book a call with me. Okay? That's what I want you to do right now. If you actually want to make change for your career, for your job, for your own business, and want to have a conversation with me, free strategy call, we'll dive right into it. I'll tell you exactly what you need to get done, okay, and give you a strategy going forward. Book that call, okay? It'll be in the DM I sent, in the description. It'll be obvious, and we'll talk soon, okay? So thank you for watching. Take care. I hope this helped a lot. Talk soon.